Yes, my people, good day. Back to the Audi A8 again. This is a tool I made to isolate that left front strut so I could put air in the strut and be able to see if it's a strut that's leaking or if it's the valves or lines leaking to it. So it was full, had like 110 PSI in there, and then it leaked out over the space of 2 days. So I know that that strut is leaking, so we're going to replace that. This is just a T right here. So this end goes to the strut. I'll show it to you in a little bit. This end is my shredder valve where I put the air in using a air chuck like this guy here. I hook it up and I put air in it like I would put air in a tire, and the air that's in there is monitored by the gauge so I can see how much is in it. Let me show you. You see the gauge there, and then see, starting to get air in it now. So when I leave air in it, it leaks out. So that tells me that something is going on with this strut. But I don't understand what's going on with the one on the passenger side because that one leaks down too. So I'm going to switch the tool from this strut over to the passenger side, put some air in it, and then see what happens then. All right.